Tile roof explained. Introduction. Just like any rooftop covering, roof tiles are designed mainly to keep out rain. Traditionally made from locally available materials, terracotta or slate, modern materials, concrete and plastic, are more commonly used because of cost factor. Rooftop. Roof tiles are fixed to the roof structure by hanging/staging them and get fixed with nails. Usually in parallel rows and with upper rows overlapping the lower, allowing runoff. A secondary reason is to cover the nails that hold the lower row. Where pitches meet, one finds roof tiles of special profiles and calls ridge, hip and valley tiles. These can either be fixed in place with cement mortar or mechanically. Aesthetics. Tiling has also been used as a protective weather cover and aesthetics for the sides of timber frame buildings. They are hung to lofts, a finishing mainly interior, dividing walls and ceilings, which are nailed to wall timbers. Tiles are then nailed to it via the same overlapping process. Specially molded tiles, sometimes having a decorative pattern, will cover corners and jambs, side posts or surfaces of a doorway. Slate. Slate roof tiles, traditionally very popular in some areas where there was a source of supply, is now less common because of the cost involved. Photocells. A company called Tesla Inc. developed tiles with photocells which, when attached to the roof and connected, generates electricity to power the property.